Hi everyone, I just started working on this painting. It's an old painting. You can see it was like a portrait, some flowers and some birds there, but I've already started covering it up with my handmade collage papers. And I thought, oh, I should be sharing this with you because it may be helpful. When you've got something that you just not connected to anymore, like this one for me, I decided to just go in on it again, and I'm kind of surrounded by paintings at the minute that I'm working on in this way, just adding my bits of collage paper that I'm surrounded by, just grabbing what's taking my fancy and sticking on. You can see I've already added some here, here and here, and well, I'm just going to continue until I feel happier about this painting. So I'll just carry on. I just ran my first trial run brand new art course, and in this course we make our very own collage papers to integrate into making a more personalized creation. So I thought I'd grab these and have a play around, see if I can feel happier about portrait that doesn't feel like me anymore. Did at the time, but now I've kind of moved on from creating in this way, and well, I'm on to something new. So just to say, there's no rules. There's no rules. We can do whatever we like with our creations. This was a finished painting, and I've totally gone in there and destroyed it basically. So just tearing up pieces of my collage paper that I've created. So all these marks are created by me. So it's still me going into my paintings and play around like usual, and hopefully come up with a new creation or a new start anyway. Now all those layers that are already on this painting have not gone to waste. All these marks are put onto a tissue paper, so the marks underneath, the colours, they're all still coming through. So it's just another layer of me going onto the painting. Just that sometimes these drastic moves, even if we're sometimes maybe in that messy middle bit, can move us forward. It's got gel medium here. I'm going around the edges, gonna make my way into the middle. Because I do want to get rid of this. It's gonna be, in fact, totally new painting. Oops. I should turn it around really. You see how well that's integrating into the painting underneath? I wonder if I've got any more of that. This is a small amount, not a big stack. All this imagery, there's a bird here, there's a bird here, there was a bird there, already gone. I'm at that stage where I am thinking a little bit about composition in the beginning stages. I'm never really thinking about composition, but at this stage I am thinking a little bit about composition, and we cover that as well in my new course. By the way, if you're interested in connecting to your art more than my course, Connecting Through Mixed Media Layers of Meaning, to get more view into your artwork, then I have got a wait list, still tweaking a little bit, so I'll put a link below for if you want to just join the wait list, and I'll let you know when I've got more information about it. I don't mind all this white going around because all that will become transparent and show everything underneath. Decisions. And if I don't like it, just go over it again. Just found some more of this that was there, so I might just put that somewhere else. And put that there. That goes really well there. She's disappearing. So spin around. You'll see the nose, the mouth. This is becoming more of what my recent theme's been about. I was inspired by doing some seascapes, so this is like an underwater kind of scene. Already got some of this over there, so I might add some over here. Just don't like straight edges. Yes, it's coming through lovely. So after I'll go in with paints and other materials, and I'll focus in more on the colour palette as well after. I'm not liking that. Get out. I already like that what's there. Now, the colours are not integrating yet, so I need to work out the colour palette after. I'm going to talk about this in the course, I call it the emotional colour palette. And we dive into that. For now, I'm just wanting to get this covered up. My colour palette is a bit wild at the minute. Oh, I think I may have found a piece that will fit in there. Goodbye nose and mouth. Done deal. And I liked this painting for a while. I'm not saying that when I finished it I didn't like it. I did. I just like this feeling of me being in nature. I think it was kind of a transformational piece. I'm going to look at it like that anyway. A transformational piece being transformed. See how these oranges are coming through from underneath. Oh, she's nearly gone. Just a little bit of hair left here. I might get rid of. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this kind of flower imagery. Keep hunting. Let's find some. What's this? Let's find some more tissue paper types. In a minute, there's not going to be anything left of the original. Just the little memories of it. This is not the only painting I've done this to. The last few days I've done it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 paintings. I've got a big exhibition coming up soon, so I wanted to do something fresh. This is a great way to do it. Might as well just get rid of all the old imagery. And then that will give me something new to react to. Think it's gone enough? Let me know. And scrape back in and bring some of that underneath back. So my next step would be deciding what colours I want to work with and creating my emotional, I like to call them, my emotional colour palette. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Au revoir.